U.S. University applications. What you're not told. Applying to U.S. universities can seem overwhelming, but there's more to it than just grades. Here's what you're not told about the application process. Number 1. Your personal statement is a game changer. This is your chance to show the admissions team who you really are. Don't just talk about your grades. Tell them about your journey, your dreams, and your challenges. They want to know you. Number 2. Don't miss deadlines. U.S. schools are strict about deadlines. Missing one could mean waiting another year to apply. Keep track of all your deadlines and make sure your application is ready early. Number 3. Extracurricular activities matter more than you think. It's not just about your grades. It's about what you do outside of the classroom. Volunteer work, internships, and community service show that you're more than just a student. They show you're a leader. Struggling with the application process? Comment below, and I'll help guide you through it.